Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Zillow for rental comps, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Zillow for rental comps, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Zillow website. In the top right corner, locate and click on the Sign In button. If you do not have an account, select Join to create a new account. Fill out the required information, including your email address and a strong password. Once your account is created, check your email for a confirmation message. Click the link in the confirmation email to verify your account. Return to the Zillow homepage and sign in using your new credentials. After signing in, access the menu and select Renter or Rental options. Locate the Rental Manager feature to begin the process of accessing rental comps. Once in the Rental Manager, look for the Price My Rentals section. Input necessary details about your rental property, including address and features. Zillow will generate a list of comparable rental properties in your area. To deepen your analysis, utilize the filters provided to refine your search. This will allow you to compare rent prices effectively. Review the data presented, which includes rental rates, property features, and availability. Take notes on the relevant information for your reference. If you need additional insights, consider using the Zestimate feature for property value estimates. For further analysis, explore market trends and insights available on the platform. After gathering your data, log out of your Zillow account for security. You are now equipped to authenticate and use Zillow for rental comps effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.